In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple quantities to a listing on eBay. Whether you're an experienced seller or a newcomer to eBay, managing your inventory effectively can significantly impact your sales and customer satisfaction. So let's dive into the process and make sure your listings are set up for success. First off, you'll want to head over to ebay.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using your seller's account so that you have access to all the features we'll be discussing. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sell option at the top of the page. From there, select List an item. When you click on this, you'll be prompted to describe what you're planning to sell. Type in a brief but detailed description of your item and then click on the search icon. This search will help eBay suggest the correct category for your listing. If you don't find an exact match for your item, or if you're prompted, you can simply click on Continue Without Match. This option allows you to proceed with creating a listing, even if eBay's suggestions don't perfectly align with what you're offering. After that, you'll choose the condition of your item. In this case, click on New if your product is brand new and unused, ensuring that buyers know exactly what they're purchasing. Next, you'll continue to the listing page where the real magic happens. Look for the option that says Continue to Listing and click on it. Here, you'll be presented with various fields to input details about your item. To add multiple quantities, click on the Show More link. This action will reveal additional customizable options for your listing. Now, focus on the Unit Quantity field where you can specify how many units of the item you have available. This is crucial for potential buyers to know how much stock you have on hand. If your items are sold in different units of measure, ensure that you specify this under unit type. Click on the drop-down menu and select LB or whichever unit best applies to your product. And there you have it. With these steps, you can successfully add multiple quantities to your eBay listing. Remember, setting the correct quantity and type will not only enhance your listing's clarity, but also help streamline your inventory management. As always, double-check your listing for accuracy before you publish it. It's important to provide as much clear and accurate information as possible to reduce any buyer misunderstandings. Take a few moments to review all your details before finalizing and hitting the List button. This will ensure everything appears just as you intend. Now, you're ready to sell like a pro on eBay. Thanks for watching and happy selling.